Hello, my name is Nattakarn. I am studying in English major at the Nattakarn University. Today, I am talking about the birds. The story is the king of birds. This is one part of children with trouser crops. One day, first nowadays, a bird's most visitor were the most wonderful, which they appointed the king of birds. Two of birds who was displayed fanatical. Everyone wanted to be the most beautiful. Each bird wanted aloud. Parrot said that his sister was wonderful. A peacock gave a sideways glance and showed off his own mother's sister. A swan was biting and said, "The king of birds, sister can't be unclean." Other birds went into the pond to wash themselves. A crow whose entire body was black also went into the pond. But no matter how much he kissed, the blackness was still as black as ever. The birds finished biting and left, leaving a field along the river bank. The crow saw those and hatched an idea. If I could somehow give a wish my own, I might choose him to be the king of birds. The crow then start off. Finally came the day for crows to choose the king of birds. Everyone gathered. Two of the surprises. Gods pointed to the crow and said, "You have got the most beautiful sister. You will be the king of birds." All the birds were really upset. They all came and hugged the colorful sister from the crow's body until the crow was as entirely back as before. The moral of the story is lie deception are temporary to be really lower at the end การโกหกหลอกลวงเป็นสิ่งชั่วคราวเพราะท้ายที่สุดแล้วความจริงก็จะถูกเปิดเผยออกมา Thank you for your attention